How to use promo codes in CarX Street. If you are in CarX Street and wondering how to redeem your promo codes, then here's how you do it. If you've got a promo code, launch open CarX Street application on your device. Once you're inside the main lobby screen, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner. Now once you come across this page, select Sync from the top. Under Sync, you will see a Code tab where you can enter your promo code. Enter your promo code exactly as it appears. I'm just typing in some random letters over here. Once you enter your promo code, click on the Claim button right next to the box, and if the promo code is available, you'll be able to redeem it. The game will show you a message with the reward you receive, which can be cash, parts, or other bonuses. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.